friendship turned into love, and nor she understood nor me. So it is actually a story of two best friends getting in love with each other.
I could see her dancing in my dreams with her eyes like the deep blue.
मेरी बेटी बहुत ही डेलिकेट है, उनका कोई मोल नहीं है, वो तो अनमोल है और सबकी लाडली है, बहुत ज़्यादा लाडली है। ससुराल में भी सबकी लाडली है, दादा की तो स्पेशल लाडली थी वो, और सब उसको प्यार करते हैं। लेकिन बस छोटी बेटी है ना मेरी, उसको बहुत हमेशा इरिटेट करती रहती है, और वो इरिटेट होती भी है, बहुत परेशान करती है उसको।
I'm gonna put it all on the line for this. I will never give up, I will never give in. I won't stop till I can feel her heartbeat, till I can feel her heartbeat beat, till I can feel her heartbeat.
My day starts with fighting with her all the time, and it ends while she's apologizing. Obviously, I won't apologize ever, even though it's my fault. But it's all, every time it's like her fault, and dad yells at me for no reason. Damn, you cute little thing, you're not gonna be mine anymore. I don't know who to fight with her.
रुलाती है, हंसाती भी है, उसके बगैर उसको चलेगा भी नहीं, बहुत याद आती है। दूर जा रही है तो बहुत ज़्यादा।
Because we will never give up, we will never give in. I'm gonna put it all on the line for this. We will never give up, we will never give in. I won't stop tonight till I can feel her heartbeat, till I can feel her heartbeat beat.
I so envy you. You're getting so much of importance. I don't want that, okay? I'm the one who should be getting importance, but anyways, it's fine. One day, 3 days are yours.
We will never give in. We're gonna put it all on the line for this. We will never give up, we will never give in. We're gonna put it all on the line for this. Yeah, I could never go too far from you.
I am the craziest person, I can be whatever I want to be, and the only thing what I love about her is she never judges. She's not a judgmental person, so I can be all crazy, weird, doing very embarrassing stuff, but she never judges. So I feel like I'm in my zone when I'm with her. I can do whatever I want, I can speak anything I want without even thinking for a second. So I just love being with her. That's a great feeling.
Feel her heartbeat, till I can feel her heartbeat beat, till I can feel her heartbeat, till I can feel her heartbeat beat.
She's lovable to the core. She's kind of very, very sensitive, very loyal towards me and her fiance, obviously. Husband now.
पूजा बहुत सिंपल लड़की है, मतलब बहुत, शी इज़ वेरी इनोसेंट. आई जस्ट विश गॉड ब्लेस हर ऑलवेज. आई विल रियली मिस हर. यस, आई विल डू.
She's a very simple girl, very sweet girl, very, very sweet, and very down to earth.
I don't know what is she gonna do without me in Nellore. I mean, I don't know. What is she gonna show up? She told me that she's gonna FaceTime me for every little possible thing, be it top or shades or even lip color. She's gonna FaceTime me.
Pooja is the simplest girl I've ever seen.
As a person, and she's really good, and I'm very sure that Shreyans is very lucky.
I still remember that small, young little Pooja, who was then also very simple and now also very simple. And that's the best part of her. Like, she's really simple, classy, and a very good buddy of mine.
Pooja and Shreyan make really and very good couple. Like, they just complement each other and they're like just made for each other. Very, like, they're just made for each other.
Like IVs in the sun. The two of us will be one. Yeah, we'll go
first day when I entered the hotel, you know, many people coming, greeting me. I was new to so much attention, you know, so I was scared of so much attention. So, you know, it was like nice. I was feeling good. I was feeling like center of attraction. Like, nice.
We will never give up. We will never give in. I won't stop tonight till I can feel her heartbeat. Till I can feel her heartbeat beat. Till I can feel her heartbeat. Till I can feel her heartbeat beat beat beat. We will never give up. We will never give in. We're gonna put it all on the line for this. We will never give up. We will never give in. We're gonna put it all on the line for this. Yeah, I could never go too far from
The setup was so amazingly done.
here. 'Cause every little thing you do's got me all caught up on you.
So finally, the Sangeet is here. We managed well. Finally, after all the hard work.
I'm in love like this for the first time. I'm in love with a boy like you. I never thought I'd be swept off a straight line. I never thought that I'd run into you. Don't you know
The
that
entry
you
was amazingly done. Then we go and sit on our couch. Then, you know, I myself am a person, you know, I love dancing. So you can know by now that, you know, how much I love Sangeet now.
When he performed a solo performance, I was like, whenever he dances, I think I fall for him more and more.
When my performance was done, I was like, you know, just into Pooja and I was just enjoying my dancing with her. I loved Pooja's solo also. I never knew she could dance so well. You know, that was a shocking thing for me. But it was nice and whole setup was amazingly done.
संगीत में तो धमाल हुई हमारी बहुत ही। इतनी डर रही थी वो डांस करने में, ना पूछो मत, इतनी नर्वस थी वो चीज़ में। बस रियान जी मिल गए, बड़ी खुश हो गई, एकदम मस्त डांस किया उसने, एकदम एक्सीलेंट किया। तब वो खुश हो गई, तो आज थोड़ी वो हैप्पी है शादी के टाइम।
You danced really well. I know how nervous you get while coming to the stage, while entering. You were so nervous, but then Jiju managed it. So I like him because of that. He manages you. If I'm not there, Jiju is there. He's the savior. He's like me only. So you keep on telling us that, you know, you're similar, and I keep on saying that that's why he's compatible to you.
And I enjoyed a lot as he proposed me on the stage too.
That was my actual first proposal to Pooja, which I did it on the Sangeet night. So I feel good, you know, proposing in front of so many people, around 500 to 600 people. So a person as me, so scared and shy as me doing that, I feel.
From whom I wasn't expecting that they will dance. They too danced, like my friends, and first all was like, no, they won't dance. But then they came out a really very good performance. And my cousins, they were also like, we won't dance, you won't be able to dance. But they came out so well. Even my sister, she was like, I will dance only in one, but even she was in 3 dances. So I was very proud that all were dancing in my Sangeet. Like, they were enjoying it, not just for dancing sake, but they were even enjoying it.
He doesn't know it yet, but that's alright. It's just a matter of time before the sunshine. I'm living on love, you see. No need for sleep, no place to hide. Can't no longer wait to have you next to me. Don't you know that you'll be mine? I'm in love.
Franz Jiju. He's just amazing. He's the best Jiju I could ever get. He's like me. Ditto.
अरे वो तो मेरे दामाद नहीं है, मेरे बेटे हैं। बड़ा अच्छा लगता है मिलके उनसे, तसल्ली होती है कि नहीं मेरी बेटी बड़ी खुश रहेगी यहाँ पे। बहुत ही अच्छा नेचर है, बहुत बोले तो बहुत ही अच्छा नेचर है। मेरी बेटी को एक बार गुस्सा आ जाएगा लेकिन उनको नहीं आएगा। कोई भी प्रॉब्लम होती है मेरी बेटी को तो वो समझाने को आते हैं और उनसे उन्हीं से समझती है। वो हमारी बातों से नहीं समझेगी जितना उनसे समझती है।
I'm in love, I'm in love, I'm in love, such a beautiful world. 'Cause I'm in love with a boy just like you. All the stars in my heart come shining through. I'm in love, I'm in love, I'm in love, I'm in love with you. Come take off to a diamond sky, and let's get wings to what's meant to fly. I feel your heartbeat raise every minute. If you feel
Shayans is very simple, down to earth. He's too calm. He never gets angry. That's the best part about him. He's tall, he's handsome, he's very understanding, and he's also a dancer. So basically, he has all the qualities which I wanted in my perfect man. With him, I feel complete.
Shyanji is very lucky to have her. I think
Extremely lucky. I mean, come on, he just couldn't get
anyone better than
Yes,
her.
exactly.
It was like a dream, you know. Like it was like this, started in a second and ended in a second. It was like, you know, a dream. Like you wake up and it's over. It was like amazing, you know, the best days of my life. Just loved it. Hope I could relive them again.
The whole night I could not sleep. Like it was the big day. From the night I had those mixed emotions in my heart.
Truly speaking, I was really very scared on the wedding day. You know how it is for a bachelor to lose his bachelorette. You know, the last day of being a bachelor, I was very scared, and you know, rather than being happy, I was truly feeling I was a bit scared of the day. When I saw Pooja for the first time entering the wedding hall, I was like, oh my god, she looks so beautiful. So, and I was like, I just forgot, you know, for a second that how scared I was before the wedding, and you know, I just wanted to be next to her, and I saw her. Then I knew somewhere just after this hour I'm gonna be next to her all my life.
I was getting ready and all that, and then when I came to the mandap, I saw my mom crying. It's actually happening. My sister is getting bigger and bigger.
बहुत मज़ा आया, सब इंजॉय कर रहे थे। खास करके तो बस मैं 12 महीने से उसकी तैयारी कर रही हूँ। मेरे को सबसे ज़्यादा संतोष हो रहा है। बहुत लाडों से पाली है मेरी बेटी को मैंने, बहुत ही ज़्यादा। मेरी बेटियाँ मेरी दोनों आंखें हैं। बस उनको कुछ तकलीफ होती है तो मेरी आंखों को तकलीफ ज़्यादा होती है। ये तो दिल का रिश्ता होता है बेटियों के साथ। बेटियां हमेशा अपनी फ्रेंड के जैसी रहती है, उनकी बराबरी कोई नहीं कर सकता है। मैं उदास होती हूँ तो पहले वो ही पूछते हैं मुझे। वो अटैचमेंट रहता है माँ के साथ बेटियों का, बहुत ज़्यादा रहता है।
While she was in the dolly, and the first thing what I saw her, I was like, you know, she was crying, and I felt sad for her as well that she has to leave all her friends, the city which she loved the most, her parents, her family, you know.
I could actually see her crying. I could see my mom crying, and I was like, no, tears, you don't have to come out tonight.
I had that thing that I won't cry in any of the functions. I had made my mind so strong. But then, getting out of the dolly, and when I saw my mom crying and my sister crying, I could not control myself. So even I started. And then people were coming and saying, makeup kharab ho jayega, makeup kharab ho jayega. That made me laugh, so I switched on my mood to a good thing.
I was scared each and every second while I was in the mandap that she might, cry again. So I was just trying to act foolish, crack some sad jokes, trying to make her laugh and get a smile on her face. So that worked out well eventually, and she cried again. Till now, I hope.
I can be myself with him. Like, I don't need to be like what I'm not.
The day when we're taking wedding vows, fairies, that time, I was feeling a bit special that, something great has entered my life, something so amazing as Pooja, so loving as Pooja. So I was happy that this happened soon, maybe too soon, but still I'm like happy, no regrets.
He has always been a Prince Charming to me. Like, from the day I started dating him, I had that feeling that I want to get married to him. But by the years got past, and then I realized that he is the man I wanted to get married to. It was a dream come true to see him as my groom in the royal attire.
शादी का बंधन तो एकदम अटूट बंधन है, उसको एक क्रैक भी नहीं होना चाहिए, खरोच भी नहीं आनी चाहिए। क्रैक की तो दूसरी बात है, खरोच भी नहीं आनी चाहिए। वो तो इतना नाजुक डोर होता है, इतना नाजुक बंधन रहता है, उसको किसी की नज़र भी नहीं लगनी चाहिए। बहुत ज़रूरी है शादी। तो शादी है तो लाइफ है, ये तो लाइफ नहीं है। रोना हंसना सब ये शादी से ही होता है। रोएंगे तो ही मनाने आएंगे ना, नहीं रोएंगे तो कौन मनाने आएगा।
The wedding went really well. Like we cried a little, but at the same time we laughed, we chilled out.
बहुत खुशी हो रही है मेरे को, बहू के रूप में बेटी मिली है, बहुत इंतजार था मेरे को। The wedding it took a lot. It's like a year's मेहनत full, almost पूरा इंडिया घूम लिया है शादी के लिए। We tried our best, बहुत घुमा, ये वो इवेंट वाले।
I think बहुत अच्छी शादी।
We managed it well. Yeah, come on, we did it very nice.
Yeah, surely. I know it is the best way.
We could do it. We could have done it. Boss इससे ज़्यादा नहीं होता है।
The wedding was awesome. They really planned it very well.
It's like a dream wedding. She's like a fairy tale kind of girl. So she got her fairy tale entry for the reception.
And I really like the entry.
It's true love, obviously. They are made for each other.
I can see her dancing in my dreams with her eyes like the deep blue sea. Then my heart starts beating low as she walks down from the clouds. She's a danger to me now with her feet on the ground. But I will never give up, I will never give in. I would put it all on the line for this. I will never give up, I will never give in. I won't stop tonight till I can feel her heartbeat beat. Till I can feel her heartbeat beat. Till I can feel her.
So when I first entered the reception hall with Pooja, thousands of people waiting and walking down the aisle and entering that chariot, it was all like dream. It was so dreamy. Then all that cloudy, it was total like a chariot coming down the cloud. So it was an amazing feeling then. When we were in the stage, it just struck me that now I'm not single anymore. I'm with my wife. So that was the other feeling altogether. So that was a mixed feeling, but it was nice. People coming and greeting up. Congratulations, Mr. and Mrs. Shreyans. That was a bit awkward to hear for the first time, but I was liking the sound of it.
I know Shreyanji will always keep her happy, but please do understand her. She's coming to a new town
She
over
will
there.
not say anything by herself. You will have to understand her.
So-
Like if you think कि वो पूजा बता देगी मैं कर लूँगा, नहीं, आपको समझना पड़ेगा. She will not say by herself. She's very simple.
A very loving person. Surely will miss Pooja very too much.
Let's come back soon. Keep coming to Mumbai, please.
And I don't know how I'm going to actually stay without her because we just talk so much to each other and we gossip a lot. But yeah, I'm surely going to miss her.
ब्लेसिंग तो अभी बोलते हैं ना, अपने जितने भी बॉडी में जो रोंगटे होते हैं ना, उतनी ब्लेसिंग उससे वो भी कम पड़ेगी बेटियों के लिए, बेटों के लिए, दामाद के लिए, किसी के लिए भी। और वो तो बेटी है मेरी, बड़ी बेटी, वो भी पहली बार वो जाएगी तो और ज़्यादा मुझे खुशी होगी। और ब्लेसिंग तो हमेशा हमेशा ऊपर जाने के बाद भी ब्लेसिंग है हमारी उनके साथ, बस।
I just wish her all the happiness in life and I just hope that they stay happy and always together.
भगवान से रोज ही ब्लेसिंग उनके लिए ही मांगती है।
बच्चों के लिए सदा
बच्चे
खुश रहना बस,
और क्या
हमेशा
चाहिए?
खुश रहना।
Whenever Shreyans is next to me or around me, I feel that I'm in a world of our own. I love every moment of being with him and I just love him so much. From the bottom of my heart to the tip of my toe, I love him so much.
All the best, Pooja and Shreyansh. We love you. Have a happy married life.
Pooja, you might think that I'm a completely mad person, totally crack guy, you know, mental altogether. But all this, I am just for you and just to have a smile on your face. And I would like to have that on your face on every second. So, you know, be prepared for more madness.
तू प्यास है मेरी, तू ही धड़कनों में रहे, तू ही जिंदगी है, तुझसे हर खुशी है, तू ही आशिकी दिल